This is the Alllike portable power station. It's just over 1000 watt hours and it can deliver up to 1000 watts of power. The first thing I want to show with this is I really like the handles on this. It makes it really easy to pick up. You can see this is actually really small compared to other similar portable power stations. Now what I mostly like to use this for is I have it set up in my shed. I've got a solar panel on the top of my shed. It charges via solar, and then I charge all my power tool batteries using this. I power my headphones as well. It's really nice to just have it plugged in, so I only use my shed like once or twice a week. So throughout the week this charges via solar, it keeps fully charged, and I can use it for things like my lights or my vacuum or all of the things in the shed that I need power for. It has a really nice display. It shows you what level it's at, it shows you what the input and output is at, so you know exactly what's going on. On the back here you have your two AC outlets, and then this is where you plug it into power or solar. It also has a light on the back, so if you need an extra light to help you see what's going on. This also comes with the solar panel. It's a 100-watt solar panel. I found it very easy to use. It folds up really quite compact. It's winter here, so almost every day has been a little bit cloudy. I went out the other day and you can see it's charging at about 10 watts, which is not a lot. Obviously the clouds are having the biggest impact on that. From past experience I can say when you have optimal conditions you can expect to get about 80 watts of power going into this with a 100-watt solar panel, which if you're using this to charge devices like a cell phone or a tablet, this is absolutely perfect. The solar panel is really easy to pack up and store away as well. This portable power station was sent to me so I can make this video. The things I really like about it is the display is really nice. It gives you all the information that you need. Overall, I like the design. I like how small and compact this is. I like the handles, how easy it is to carry around. I also like that it has overload protection. So I tried it with my microwave a couple of times and the microwave draws too much power, but because this has overload protection, I don't have to worry about ruining this device. Having a portable power station like this is perfect around the house if you do home projects and you need to plug in lights because you turn off the circuit breaker, or if you want to go outside and watch a movie so you need to power speakers and a projector and a computer, you can do that all with this portable power station. The one thing I do want to point out that I'm not a huge fan of is the fan. It's really loud. Now you could say that's a positive thing. The fan turns on, it cools off the device to protect it. So I get why the fan comes on. All portable power stations have fans. This fan just seems to be louder than the others I have tried. Just something to be aware of.